What's up, my good people? Happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. This is the very first video for the year 2021. With that said, I just want to wish you all a happy new year, and I'm hoping that this year will bring you good fortune in the forex market and in other aspects of your life. And yeah, so without further ado, let's kick off our trading week. So the first pair we're going to be looking at is the Great British Pound and the USD. And as you know, the daily time frame we use for the overall direction of the market. The 4-hour we use for the significant or key levels, key support resistance levels in the market. And then the 1-hour we can use for the execution. Sometimes we could also use the 4-hour depending on how good the setup is. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight to it. So we can see with the GU, we are in an uptrend. Okay, so we are looking for high probability setups, and those are buy setups. Okay, so we can obviously see that now we have key support resistance zones, which I've highlighted as these yellow, deep pink rectangles. Okay, so we're looking for the market to do one of these things. So the market will either come back down to the zone. Let me make that black. Always forget to change it before I start the video. Okay, so the market could come back down to the zone, give us a retest, and make its way up, right? Or it could break and retest this resistance, making it a new support, come back down for the retest within the zone, and start moving or making its way back up. Okay, and in the case where if we have strong momentum and the market continues breaking this resistance up here, okay, then we can anticipate adding second position if the market comes down to retest and starts moving upward. Okay, so that's what we're looking for the Great British Pound and the USD. Pretty simple. I'm sure for those that have been following my channel, they kind of get the gist of it now. Yeah, so the second pair we're going to be looking at is the Great British Pound and JPY. Similar thing, if you go to the daily, we can easily see that we are in an uptrend. Let's look for key levels in the 4-hour. So we see that we've had a nice support there, one hit there, two hits there, three hits, another hit there. So we are anticipating that the market could do one of two things. Okay, it could come back down, hit there again, and move up with us, right? Or it could move upward, break that resistance, making it a new support, come back to retest the now new support, and the market could start moving upward. So that's what we could be looking at for the GJ, Great British Pound, and the Japanese yen. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's all. No, I was just looking at this level, but it's not a significant level. Okay, so that's what we have for the Great British Pound and the Japanese yen. Next pair we're looking at is the USD Swiss franc. So we can see from the daily that we have been in a downtrend, right? Lower lows and lower highs. That's our downtrend. Okay, so our best setups should be sell setups. Okay, so what we're looking for, what am I doing now? Okay, So what you're looking for is one of two things. The market could break down, break that support, come back up, hitting the now new resistance, and make its way back down. Okay, or could move all the way back up here and hit this old resistance and continue making its way back down. And you know how we roll. So if the market decides to go back down and break through this old support, this is when we'll be adding our new position on the retest after that break. So for the USDCHF, our bias is a sell trade, and those are the setups that we're potentially looking for. The next pair is the CADJPY. CADJPY has been trending upwards, so we are looking for a buy. So you can see higher highs, higher lows, trending upwards, right? So we're looking for good buy setups. So look at key support resistance zones, and you can see that we are near a key level here, a key resistance zone. So what we're looking for is the market to come down, give us a retest there, and continue making its way back up. Or the market could move upward, break that resistance, making it a new support, come back to retest, and continue its way back up. So that's what you're looking for the CADJPY. Next pair is the CHFJPY. I'm already in this trade. So if you look at the daily, you could easily see that we are in an uptrend. Okay, so when you come to our 4-hour time frame to look for the key levels, you can see that we've had a nice support zone here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I came in last week here. Last week I came in at around about this level when the market came back up to hit the support. Okay, so we can expect one of two things this week. Either the market could continue with this bullish momentum, come back down, bullish momentum, break through that resistance, making a new support, come back down to retest, and continue making its way back up. Or alternatively, the market could make its way back down, hit that support, and continue making its way back up. Okay, yeah, so that's what you're looking for the CHF and the JPY. Now we're looking for the EURJPY. So for the EURJPY, from the daily we can see that we are in an uptrend, right? This market has been trending upwards. Okay, it seems now like we're in the pullback, and as you guys know, the pullback is a good signal to show you that the market is about to make a higher low, right? And these higher lows are important because these are the positions or levels in the market that we look to enter. Okay, so that was in the 4-hour. Okay, so 1 hour I mean. So when we come to the 4-hour, we see that we are at a key. This resistance was broken and the market is potentially coming back for a retest. Okay, so what we could anticipate is that the market, since it's broken this resistance, could come back down, give us that retest of the now new support, and continue making its way back up. Okay, or the market could gap down, come back all the way to this old support, and continue making its way back up, right? But yeah, I think the more highly probable move will be for the market to come back down, since it's broken this resistance and now made a new support, come back down, retest, and start making its way back up. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking for the EURJPY. Then for our final pair, the Australian dollar JPY. If we go to the daily, you can see that we are in a clear uptrend. Okay, 4 hour, we need to look at our key levels. I'm looking. We might also have a key level that I missed out somewhere here. So I can see that this could also be acting as a key level. Not as strong as these two key levels, but it potentially could be a place where the market could retest and continue making its way back up. So we could look for the following. The market could come back down, hit that support, and continue back up, or the market could move all the way down to this stronger support, making its way back up, or the market could continue making its way back up, break through this resistance, making it a now new support, and then continue with this bullish run. So yeah, I think that's it from me. It does look like these setups might pan out nicely next week, but you know the market is unpredictable, and remember, you only trade high quality setups. If you don't see a setup, don't force trades, just don't take the trade and wait for another setup to form. So I'm hoping that this video was helpful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Bye.